Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. In this video, we'll explore how to use email effectively to manage your communications. We will focus on three key features: scheduling emails, setting up auto replies, and creating professional email signatures. These tools can help streamline your communication processes, ensuring timely and professional interactions with parents, staff, and others. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these email features to enhance your business operations. In this video, we'll cover how to schedule communications in emails, setting up auto replies, and creating professional email signatures. In case you didn't know, email is short for electronic mail. It allows you to send and receive messages instantly, making your communication efficient and timely. In the context of a childcare business, email is an essential tool for maintaining effective communication with families, staff, and other stakeholders. The importance of email in a childcare business cannot be overstated. It provides a reliable and documented way to communicate important information, send updates, and respond to inquiries. Unlike phone calls, emails can easily be referenced and stored, creating a written record of communication. For example, you can use email to send out newsletters to families, keeping them informed about upcoming events, policy changes, or important announcements. It's also useful for coordinating with staff, such as sending out schedules, meeting reminders, or important updates. Additionally, email can be used to communicate with suppliers and other partners, ensuring all business communications are handled professionally and efficiently. Emails are also crucial for responding to family inquiries and concerns. By providing timely and detailed responses, you can build trust and maintain good relationships with the families you serve. Furthermore, having a professional email address and signature associated with your childcare business helps establish credibility and ensures that your communications are taken seriously. Email is a fundamental tool for any childcare business. It enables efficient, documented communication and helps ensure that everyone involved is informed and engaged. Make sure to utilize email effectively to enhance your business operations and maintain strong connections with your community. Scheduling emails can be a powerful tool for managing your communications effectively. Let's start by looking at how to schedule an email using Gmail. Most other email servers will also have this feature, but will look a little different. If you don't have an email account, you can make one with Gmail for free. First, compose your email as you normally would. Start by clicking the Compose button on the top left-hand corner, which will open a window for you to write an email. First, compose your email as you normally would. Then, instead of clicking Send, click on the arrow next to the Send button and select Schedule Send. This will bring up a pop-up with some suggested days and times to send this email, and an option for you to pick your own specific date and time. Choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. This feature ensures your emails are sent at the most appropriate time, even if you're not at your computer. Scheduling can be particularly useful for sending reminders to families, follow-ups, and weekly updates to your staff. Next, let's set up auto replies. Auto replies are automated responses sent to people who email you, letting them know you received their message and will get back to them soon. In Gmail, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the right corner and then selecting See All Settings. Scroll down to the Vacation Responder section. Click to turn the Vacation Responder on, and then enter the subject and message of your auto reply and specify the dates for when the auto reply should be active. This feature is particularly useful when you're away from your email for an extended period or during holidays. When this feature is turned on, anyone who emails you will be automatically sent this reply that you are writing, letting them know that you are out of the office and that you will respond to their message as soon as you can. This feature is particularly useful when you're away from your email for an extended period or during holidays, ensuring parents and staff know their emails have been received and when they can expect a response. Now, let's create a professional email signature. An email signature is a block of text that is automatically added to the end of your emails, providing important contact information and a professional touch. To add this to your emails, go to Settings in the top right corner, and then click See All Settings. Scroll down to the Signature section and click Create New to add a new signature. Include your name, position, child care center name, contact information, and any other relevant details. You can also add your logo or professional sign-off. Having a consistent email signature ensures that all your communications appear professional and include essential contact details. Using email effectively can significantly enhance your communication processes in your child's care business. Scheduling emails, setting up auto replies, and creating professional signatures ensure your communications are timely, professional, and efficient. Use scheduled emails to send out monthly newsletters, payment reminders, and event notifications at optimal times. Set up auto replies to inform parents and staff when you're out of the office or during holiday breaks, ensuring they know their messages have been received. Create email signatures that include your child care center's branding, ensuring all communications are professional and informative. Give these features a try and see how they can benefit your operations.